Good morning, children. Today, I would like to take up lesson 1, 6th class. Who did Patrick homework? Who did Patrick homework? I think most of the children might have read this lesson in the textbook. Who did Patrick homework? How many of you, those who are sitting here, how many of you do like to do homework? Raise your hand. There are some good students who can do the homework whenever the homework is given. There are some lazy children who never wanted to do homework. Here, in this lesson, we find that there is a boy by name Patrick. He never wanted to do his homework. He was always the last boy, or questioned in the class by the teacher why he was not doing homework. He wanted somebody to do his homework. He is having a pet animal. Do you have any pet animals in your house? What are pet animals? Number 1, dog. Number 1, cat. Rabbit. Tortoise. And some other animals which you like. Pet birds, parrot. And some other birds, pigeon, like that. This boy, what is the name of this boy? Patrick. Patrick. He is having a pet cat. The pet is having a small doll. The name of the small doll is Elf. E-L-F. The cat is playing with the small doll. It is a small doll, but it is not actually a small doll, but it is the size of a tiniest size of a boy. The elf was trying his best to get relief from the cat. One day, Patrick caught hold of the doll, elf, and asked the elf whether you can do my homework or not. What did the elf do? Okay, I will do the homework, but you have to get me relieved from the cat. From today onwards, I will be doing your homework, but Mr. Patrick, I will be telling you how to do that. You have to do that. So, every day or every alternate day, whenever homework is given to Patrick, he used to come home. Immediately he used to call the elf. Elf is a small doll, a tiniest size of a small boy. He used to call the elf. Come on, elf. Today I am having maths homework. Today I am having English homework. Today I am having science homework. Can you help me in doing my homework? Yes. Why not? Take your book. Take the textbook. Take the notebook. Come and write down. The elf is sitting by the side of the boy. And the elf is directing the boy to do the homework. So every day, the elf used to help the boy to do the homework. The boy who was not able to do the homework before, now he is doing homework every day. And the teachers are very much surprised on seeing Patrick every day from among all the students. He is going first in order to show the homework to the teachers. The teachers were very well pleased with Patrick. Patrick, before you are not able to do homework, but how can you do this? Ma'am, sir, madam, sir. Now I am having a very nice elf in my house. Because of that elf I am doing the homework. So from this day onwards, his behavior also has been changed. There are some students whose behavior towards the parents is not good. Whenever father or mother asks them to do some work, they say no. But there are some good children who always used to do whatever told by the parents. But now the elf, Patrick, on seeing the elf, he not only does the homework, but also he became a very good boy. He used to hear the words of the parents, especially father and mother. This is how, in this lesson, the author wanted to tell us that children must be very much disciplined. Children habits must be very good. Here, the assignment I wanted to give you to the children is how to have good habits. What are the good habits that are to be followed by the children in order to prosper in your life and reach the ambition of your life? That's many of you wanted to become IAS officers, doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, etc. As to how from 6th class onwards, the children should develop very good habits by their own. The first one is respecting the parents and teachers. Respecting the parents and teachers. Getting early in the morning. Prepare very nicely to do the homework. And keeping the dress, uniform, books, everything neat and tidy. Coming to the school in time. Going home immediately after school. After going home, relaxing for some time or playing for some time. Again immediately you have to see which subject is given homework. It is your duty and responsibility of doing the homework whenever it is given. Thus, you will be getting very good marks. Before, Patrick never used to get good marks, but now he became a very good boy. He used to stand all A grades in all subjects. The teachers also used to feel surprised on seeing Patrick, how he has become a very good boy. This is how, on seeing the lesson of Patrick, children, we have to learn that you also should develop good habits like Patrick. But you may not be having the elf like Patrick. You yourself, on seeing others or on following the good advices of the parents, you have to develop very good habits in your life. Thank you all.